Hello guys, this is Tools, and this is part 2 of Giardini Max Edge Pro Edge Paint review. And I already did a review part 1 for Max Matte Dense Base Coat Dense and that's Dense Edge Paint. And if you haven't watched it, please go ahead to watch it first, part 1. And today I'm going to do part 2. This is Max Edge Pro with Max Matte Edge Dense. And you know, it's funny that you cannot really go for only the metal gloss. You have to go with the Max Matte Dense Edge Paint with a specific color designated into this color. So for bronze color, for metallic gloss, you need brown 24, and this goes together. So you cannot use metallic gloss only. You have to go with bronze 24 first, and then apply on top of that. You apply the metal gloss, and for other color you need other color also. And for specific metal gloss and which color you need, you have to ask the manufacturer. I'm not sure. This is the set. And before you apply for brown 24, you need base coat dense. Okay, so I'll just summarize, show you the graph, the pictogram. Okay, so step 1, you take a sandpaper or 800 grit or even higher sandpaper grit paper, and you smooth the surface of the leather edge. So it's like, it looks like this. You're looking at the sideways, okay? And you apply first coat of Max Matte base coat, and then you let it dry, sand it, apply dense edge paint, let it dry, sand it, and on top of that you apply Max Edge metal gloss, and then you let it dry. Okay, this was different from just the Max Matte Dense Edge Paint. This is how you done the metal gloss. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you what it's like. Where is it? Sorry. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so this is the result. I'm not sure my camera will capture this good. Okay, yeah, there we go. There's a gold bronze feel to it, isn't it? Yeah, it just shows as a one base coat, one color, and one metallic. I think this is amazing. They didn't have anything that's like metallic edge paint ever in the market, but now they have it. And the color, it seems that on camera and itself, in like this my naked eye, it's quite different. On the camera it looks more of gold color, but now it's, if I see it in real eyes, it's more of it's a copper color. It's more of a pink hue to it. But either ways, it looks really amazing. I think you design a product, handbags or anything like that, this is really catches attention for sure. Okay, so let me show you how it's done. Okay, so you first apply one coat of Max Matte Edge base coat. Okay. And it looks like this, just like the same. Okay, and then you sand it, make it smooth. It's 1000 grit sandpaper, and please don't go too rough on the base coat, because if you go too rough, you will peel off the most of the base coat, and it's not good. The only thing that you're doing here is that you're making the surface very smooth, but also rough enough to for edge paint to adhere the surface. Okay, so now take brown 24 and you mix it with some rod. Please use rod in case, do not shake the bottle. Okay, now take your etch roller die pen viscosity is the same as the black one that I showed you in part 1, but just to make sure to show you again. Now you cover it. Tip that I give you again is that try to cover the area bit by bit like this. Don't go it once, but then once you cover everything, run it through whole area like this. Just run it through. Okay. Then what you get is this even coat of etch paint. Okay. Okay, so I'll just lay down here because I cannot wait for 30 minutes. So this is the result after it's dry. It's it looks like this. Okay. And to here, let me just grow this a little bit, and I need to and you take a this metal gloss. And since it's bronze color, I thought this paint itself would be a bronze, but it looks like this. It's like milky color. But it's really amazing what it does. You need to first mix it really well. Then take your 1000 grit sandpaper and then you smooth it out or roughen the surface. Okay, now the viscosity on this Max Edge gloss is a little bit thin. As you can see, it's a little bit thin. And look what it does. Let's pretty amazing. It looks just milky at this point. Do you feel this bronzeness color hue that's running on the edge already? It's right now it's more like a base coat because it's like milky, but as it gets dry it gets like really clear and has really like a gloss surface finish to it, and has a very metallic feature to it also. So when it gets dry it looks like this. Okay, I want to show you in real life, like on camera, how it turns out as it gets dry, but I'm sure the video time will allow me to do it. You guys will have to wait in real life. But then I think you already can see it through on the top of the line that has this effect going on. Okay, since it's very runny, it's very thin, you will have very even, very gloss finish to it, and it will dry quicker. Okay, and I think I'm going to use this for my future products. Looks like I can do many things, because if you just design a leather bag only with leather design, it's quite boring. And if you can apply such a thing as a accent, very spicy to it, like metal gloss, it's very nice. And it doesn't look like cheap color. It looks a bit very quite elegant look to it. It doesn't look like cheap glitter you can find on a craft shop or anything like that. It's very nice. Yeah. Okay, that's it. So this was Max Edge Pro Metal Gloss, how to use it, and you can buy it in Giardini website online. They sell it directly on their web shop, and I'll put the link in the description box and the comment box so you can click in and you can buy it. So to summarize this, in order to do this, you need base coat dense, Max Matte base coat dense, Max Matte dense edge paint brown 24, and Max Edge Pro Metal Gloss bronze color. Okay, these three items you need together in order to do this. First base coat brown 24, and then bronze. Okay, and just for fun, I did try to apply only the bronze one to a leather, and it looks like this. It has a golden hue to it, but it's just it doesn't look good. Yeah, I'm talking only I applied this only onto the leather, and it looks like this. So it has something to do with the color paint, in case this brown 24. Mixing with the brown 24, this will create a hue. It's a metallic hue. Okay, this one almost dried. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more videos. And I have done so many things in other products, leather tools. So if you're interested, please go ahead and watch it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.